So she has a problem with 10th question.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Rest 9 questions are clear. बेटा बाकी के 9 questions ठीक हैं. ये तो ठीक है. There are 3 lines in question number 10. Please see. Question number 10, exercise miscellaneous straight line. He has given us that there are 3 lines whose equation is y is equal to m1x plus c1. Y is equal to m2x plus c2. Y is equal to m3x plus c2. These lines are concurrent. We have to prove m1 c2 minus c3, m2 c3 minus c1 plus m3 c1 minus c2 is equal to 0. This is the question which I have to prove. Now, in the example also, of Mr. White, I told you when the 3 lines are concurrent, that means they passes through a common point. So situation is like this. Let it be equation 2, let it be equation 3. This is line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3. This is the common point O through which these 3 lines passes. So what we will do, we will solve the equation 1 and 2 and I will find out the value of the point O. Then I will substitute this point O in equation 3 to get my required O. Because wherever these 2 lines 1 and 2 will intersect, that point must satisfy the third line also, because the lines are concurrent. In any of the questions, you have to explore the given. Whatever is given to you, your answer is lying in that given only. So, मेरे पास my first equation is y is equal to m1x plus c1. The second is y is equal to m2x plus c2. So subtract. It goes 0. m1 minus m2 is to x plus c1 minus c2. So x is equal to, take it to that side, this is c2 minus c1 upon m1 minus m2. This is the value of x. Now, put the value of x in number 1 to get y. So y is equal to m1, x is c2 minus c1, m1 minus m2 plus c1. Y is equal to m1 c2 minus m1 c1 plus m1 minus m2 is to c1 upon m1 minus m2, which implies y is equal to m1 c2 minus m1 c1 plus m1 c1 minus m2 c1 upon m1 minus m2. So m1 c1 goes, so the value of y is m1 c2 minus m2 c1 upon m1 minus m2. But this is the value of y. So therefore, point O's coordinates are c2 minus c1, m1 minus m2, m1 c2, m2 c1 upon m1 minus m2. These are the coordinates of the point O. Now this point O must satisfy equation 3. Why? Because points are concurrent. Because lines are concurrent. So my third equation is y is equal to m3x plus 3c3. So this is the value of y is m2c1 minus m1c2 minus m2c1 upon m1 minus m2 is equal to m3 is 2. X is c2 minus c1 m1 minus m2 plus c2. So this is m1 c2 minus m2 c1, which is equal to m3 is to c2 minus c1 plus c3 is to m1 minus m2, because m1 minus m2 is taken as a LCM on both the cases, on both the sides. So this is equal to m1 c2 m2 c1 m3 c2 m3 c1 c3 m1 c3 m2. Now this is m1 and this is m1. इनको इकट्ठा करो, m1 c2 minus m1 c2 ये इकट्ठे हो गए. अब उसके बाद m2 c1 m2 वाले टर्म देखो कहाँ है, ये इसको भी इस तरफ ले प्लस m2 c3 minus m2 c1. now m3 c3 minus m3 c2 और m3 वाली ये plus m3 c1 equal to 0. now this is m1 c2 minus c3 m2 c3 minus c1 and take m3 c1 minus c2 equal to 0. So simple concept, you can solve the questions only if the concept is clear in your mind. If the path is clear in your mind. When he has given you that the lines are concurrent, so immediately it came to my mind that I will solve for the coordinates equation 1 and equation 2. So I have solved equation 1 and equation 2 for the point O. This is the point. Then I substituted the coordinates of the point O in equation number 3 to get my required proof. This was the course of action. So your periodic test is on Saturday and the topic is sequent series. I have already scheduled the test. So any doubt to any other student in first 10 questions of miscellaneous exercise, those who are online, they can ask me.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, great. So, Garush, your doubt in first 10 questions? Sorry? So that is your problem. Ye Manvi, doubt in first 10 questions of miscellaneous? No. And your name is Ayush. Sahil, Sahil. चलिए. So we were discussing examples. So example 24 I have to do with you. So just note it down, then we'll start with the example 24. Only two examples left, then I will move to questions. Today we have 2 periods. Once the period will be over, so those who are online, they can join through the new link.
Okay, sir.
Let them know. You will also note this question. Big important example 24 में है. Page 231. A line is such that its segment between the lines, इन दोनों lines के बीच में segment है. Is bisected at the point 1, 5. No, see. There are 2 lines. So, because he is asking about the lines, so first we have to plot the graph of these 2 lines to see the exact position of the question. My first line is 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. That means 5x minus 4 is equal to y. So table of this. So if x is equal to 0, y minus 4. If x is equal to 1, y is 1. And if x is equal to 2, this is 6. For the second line, 3x plus 4y. 3x is equal to 4 minus 4y and x is equal to 4 minus 4y upon 3. मॉडल कैलकुलेशंस ठीक है बेटा, चेक कर लो. So if I will see for y as a 4, 4 is to 4, 16. 4 minus 16, this is 12, minus 12 divided by 3, minus 4. ठीक है जी? We need one more point. If I will write y as a minus 2, 8 plus 3, 4, 12, this is 4.
So y 0.
I hope it's clear. But if I will substitute y as a 0, so the value of x I will get in fraction 4 by 3. So it will be difficult to plot. So I will avoid it.
Okay, sir.
Now, so the question is, the value of y is minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the value of y is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the value of x is maximum 4. Let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus. The first point is 0, minus 4. The second part is 1 and 1. The third part is 2 and 6. So if I join it, this will be the line. This is the line. 5x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Here, the second line is x4, x minus 4, and y 4. This is the point. Then x4 and y minus 2, 4 and y minus 2. This is the point. So if I join these 2 points, somewhere, this is the line. Now, between these 2 lines, suppose this is another segment, let it be P and Q. This segment is bisected at the point 1, 5. This is, let the point be M, where it bisects. This is the question. Between these 2 lines, this point is bisected at the point 1 and 5. I have to obtain the equation of this line. I have to obtain the equation of P2. My question is to find equation of P2. So let the point be alpha 1, beta 1, and Q be alpha 2, beta. So my this point is alpha 1, beta 1, and my this point is alpha 2, beta. Right. चलो फाइन लाइन एक बननी है ये पॉइंट्स हो तो लाइन की पोजीशन चेंज हो जाएगी बट दिस विल बी द सेम अच्छा अब देखो कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है दिस इज माय पी लाइन and this point alpha 1 beta 1 lies on this point on this line 3x plus 4y minus 4 so मैं क्या लिखूंगा because alpha 1 beta 1 is on 3x plus, which implies it will satisfy this. My second point alpha to beta 2 is on this line. So is on line this way. So which implies it must satisfy. That means 5 alpha 2 minus beta 2 is equal to minus 4. Now he's saying he's saying that point M is a bisector. That means this is the midpoint. So can I write another equation alpha 1 plus alpha 2 over 2 is equal to 1 and beta 1 plus beta 2 over 2 is equal to 5. Because point 1 and 5 is a bisector of these 2 points, and from this I can write beta 1 plus beta 2 is equal to 10. From here, alpha 1 is equal to 2 alpha 2 and beta 1 is equal to 10 minus beta 2. Put the value of alpha 1 and beta 1 in number 1. Put alpha 1 and beta 1 in number 1. So this is 3 is to 2 minus alpha 2. 4 is to 10 minus beta 2 is equal to 4. So 6 minus 3 alpha 2. 40 minus 4 beta 2 is equal to 4. Minus 3 alpha 2. 4 beta 2. 4. 46. So this is 3 alpha 2 plus 4 beta 2 is equal to 40 plus 40. Let it be number 3. Now you have equation number 2 and equation number 3 in alpha 2 beta 2 and alpha 2 beta 2, and you can solve it to get the value of this. So from 3 and 4. Solve it from 2 and 3. From 2 and 3. 3 alpha 2 plus 4 beta 2 is equal to 42. 5 alpha 2 minus beta 2 is equal to minus 4. Find the value of alpha 2 and beta 2 quickly. Get the value of alpha 2 and beta 2 and type. You can multiply this equation 2 by 4 to get the value of beta 2 equal. So if I will multiply, because this is my number 2 and this is my number 3, multiply this by 4. So this is 20 alpha 2 minus 4 beta 2 is equal to minus 16. Now add these two. So 4 beta 2 goes with 4 beta 2. 23 alpha 2, which is equal to 6, 26. So alpha 2 is equal to 26 over 23. Now if alpha 2 is this, so you can get the value of alpha 1 from the value which is in the box, which implies alpha 1 is equal to 2 minus alpha 2. So 23 LCM, 46 minus 26, 20 over 20, which implies alpha 1 is equal to 20 over 20. Now get the value of beta 1 and beta 2. Once the points will come, then we will find the slope, and then the equation will come. Now, what is beta 2 beta? Say निकालना और beta 1. Good. Take your time. Take your time. Where you are feeling that things are confusing. हाँ जी ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ बीटा 1 एंड बीटा 2 I feel you people are sleeping. ये देखिए put the value of alpha 2 in number 2. Alpha 2 is equal to 26 over 23. Number 2. Why alpha 2 minus beta 2 is equal to minus 2. This is 5 is 2. This is 130 plus this is 2 again. So beta 2 is this. I want to get the beta 1. So I will use the value of the box. Beta 1 is equal to 10 minus beta 2. So this is 8 upon 23. So which implies my points are alpha 1, beta 1 and alpha 2, beta 2. So my alpha 1, beta 1, this is 20 over 23. Beta 1 is 8 over 20. My alpha 2, 26 over 23. And my beta 2, again, the 2 points are the same. Because I want to get the equation of PQ. equation of the points I have calculated. Alpha 1, beta 1, alpha 2, beta 2. So this is alpha 1, beta 1, alpha 2. So M. This is equal to beta 2 minus beta 1, alpha 2 minus alpha 1. This is 2 upon 23 minus beta 1 is 8 over 23. Alpha 2, 26 over 23 minus 20 over 20. So M is equal to, so if you calculate the least product. So this is 222 minus 8. This is 214 upon 23. So this is 6 upon 23. It goes M is equal to 214 over 6. So M is equal to 107 upon 3. So slope is with you. Point through which it passes is also with you, 1 and 5. So y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So y minus multiplied by 1 is 5. M is 107 over 3. X minus x1 is 1. This is the equation of the line T. Why do you want to change this? You want to change the sign is already changed. See, this equation is in 4b2 beta 2. Where this is in negative. So if I will multiply it, this will be 4 beta 2. So in place of changing the sign, I will add them. Why I will subtract them? Why you will subtract when the signs are already changed? When you will add 4 beta 2 into minus 4 beta 2, it will be 0. Why would you want to subtract? We subtract only to change the signs now. When the signs are already different, there is no need for subtraction. Is it clear? Suppose there is an equation a plus b is equal to 4 and a minus b is equal to 3. Why I will change the sign to cancel a? When signs are already changed for b, so I will add. This will be 2 and this will be 7. तो वो यहाँ हम कहते हैं if your lower classes you are not practices the formulas the way you read, right? तो आपको अपनी प्रैक्टिस आपने नहीं किया है. We why we subtract the things? We subtract the things when the signs are same. For example, it is 2a plus b is equal to 3. It is a plus b is equal to 4. Now I will subtract because the signs are same. I will subtract. This will be negative. This will be negative. This will be. When I will subtract, the signs will be opposite. But here already the signs are opposite. Here already the signs are opposite. See. So why I will subtract? I will add. So those who are online, have you people noted? Then join through
Yes.
new link. Thank you.